Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use the sort function and the Excel table to get the merit list of learners. In my previous videos, I used different methods. So today I want to use a different and simple method on how to rank our learners. So without further ado, let us first get the total marks. So here we select this column, then press Alt equal sign. So let us select this column here, then press Alt equal sign. So that gives us the total marks. Then here we get the rank. So that is equal rank. Then we select this cell. So before we do that, let us make this an Excel table. So to make it an Excel table, you go to Insert Table, or you can press Ctrl T as shown here by this dialog box. So let us press Ctrl T. So then our columns here have headers, so you click here and then click OK. So that gives us an Excel table. So then here let us now get the learner's rank or position. So that is equal to rank then we select these. We select the cells starting from here to the end. So you just bring the cursor here. Once you get this black arrow, so that gives you those cells. So ensure you select where total is, then comma. So we want, so let me start that one again. So the first thing, you select the cell here. So then comma, select the column here. So you bring here until the cursor change, then click, then comma 0. So for descending, so we want it in the order of descending. So then close the brackets, then enter. So that gives you the position of learners. So the next thing is to go to this other worksheet now to get the learners merit list. So to get the learners merit list, we shall use the sort function. So you press equal sign, then type sort, and then select the array. So the array is our table. So let us check what is the name of our table. So that is click inside the table, then click table design. So it is called table 1. So you can even change the name here. So we can call it merit. So just that, or you can call it TBL merit. So TBL for the table of merit. Then you enter. So now the table is called TBL merit as shown there. So we go to the next sheet and then you type is equal to sort. Then our array now is the table. So the table is known as TBL, so you type TBL merit. So it appears here. Then press tab key. Then the next thing is to get the column. So the column which we are going to get the order, either descending or ascending. So that column is the position column. So this one here, so it is the 10th column if you start counting from here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is the 10th. It is the 10th column. So therefore, you put a comma, then type 10. So that is the 10th column for our position. Then the sort order is, now we want ascending. So starting from number 1 to number 14. So you press 1 since we want it in ascending order. So then close the bracket and enter. So there we have the merit list. So it is simply done that way. So thank you for watching my video and see you in my next videos.